MicroWorlds EX logo lesson number 17A. Most students like this one the best because it's got shapes. We're going to CG the turtle here. Get rid of that. We're also going to take a look at another part. You know, the turtle's a nice shape, but a logo comes preloaded with already installed shapes to do all kinds of different things. You don't have to have it as a turtle. Up here at the top, the row of icons, that famous row of icons, with the color palette, that brush with the yellow background. Click that, which we have before, by the way, up here in the corner. We've done this with the color, and you can see these kind of things. Well, up above, there are some shapes. We're going to go to the sunflower. Logo has, I don't know how many, 50, 60, 100 shapes preloaded. You can look at them, fish, birds, trains, buildings, etc., that you can change. Now, if you just click on the turtle, actually this is the frog, and come over here, you can change your turtle to a frog, or a crab, or a train, or whatever. That's fine. That's wonderful. The trouble is, it won't stay that way. Let me get back to the turtle. What you need to do is you need to put inside the backpack the shapes. If you right click on the turtle, wherever the turtle's at, just right click on it. First thing in your menu is open backpack. There's a lot of other things to do, but okay. In here, this is kind of all the data about that turtle. It's called T1. If you press on this little button, it shows you which turtle it is, and the reason it does that, I know, middle school boys like to do that just for the fun of it. It'll tell you which turtle you're working with because there might be like 5, 6, or more turtles on the page. Okay? We can edit, here's your coordinates, etc. We're worried about down here, the shapes, bottom left, this little ladybug, whatever it is. Shapes. We now have those 3 shapes into the backpack. I just put them in there without even knowing it. I can drag and drop a shape, and we'll take the fish here. You'll notice over here, if you leave it on long enough, it has a name. That one is Fish 1. If you move your cursor there long enough, it says Japan Home. That's logo's name for your shape. Now over here, we'll talk about this later, you can change the shape and everything. These that are with the color palette, they stay the same. I mean, you're not going to, that's kind of like the library. That's like the home. You're not going to change those. You're always going to have those. You can put them into the backpack of each turtle, and they need to be in the backpack of each turtle, even if you do some other work with another turtle. But that way, we'll talk about changing them here in a moment, maybe next lesson. Okay, I've got the shapes in the backpack. I'll get out of that. Let's say I want to change the shape to the Japan Home. Put your set shape, quotes, Japan Home. Uh-oh. Let's see. Frog 1. There's Frog 1. Changed it. Change it to crab. I can change it to whatever shape I want. If you want the turtle back, hit 0. Set shape 0 is the turtle. Right click, open backpack. Oh, I didn't get Japan Home in there for some reason. Now I got Japan Home in there. I've got engine, I've got crab, I got frog 1, I've got bus, I got fish 1. Alright? Those are all the ones you can use right now. Let's see. Can I make this in a program? Sure. I'll go with 2 shapes many. Variable. Repeat. Let's see. I don't know. Repeat 100. Set shape. Quotes. Make sure it's quotes. Crab. Weight 1. Set shape, Japan Home. Weight 1. Set shape. You can also spell the word set shape if you want. Set shape frog 1. Weight 1. We'll end it for there. You'll get the idea. Shapes. Many. 10. It just goes through and changes the shape to everything. We'll talk about animation here in a moment, but again, top, paint, clip art, you have all these to choose from, plus more. You got all kinds of shapes. Right click, open backpack. These aren't really shapes, these are backgrounds. We'll go with sphere red. Maybe I like the penguin the most. Where's the penguin? Penguin. Just called penguin. Let's set the shape to the penguin and then run sizer. Cool, huh?